Hello guys, my name is Prav Yadav and welcome to the channel. So in this video I will show you total two websites where we can create a very high quality backlinks. So the first website name is questions2answers.com. So this site is for the profile backlink and also you can create your forum backlink, and this site is highly relevant for the digital marketing and the tech industry. So if you are in the same, so on this website you will find the relevant questions and the discussion about your category. Okay, so before this started, we can do some research about this website. So according to Acharya, the domain rating is 83, and according to Moj, the domain authority is 55, and the spam score is only 2%. And if I can show you this website traffic, okay, so it is well, so this website having around 14.6k monthly traffic, and the mostly traffic from India, South Africa, Brazil, Turkey, USA, and another country. Okay, so now we can start how you can found this website, a login panel. So you can click on the Q&A, then this site will navigate you on this interface, and you will see this is a discussion. So if I can click on the login button. So there is a register. You can click on this. There you can put your username, then your password. Then you guys will choose your email address. Click on the captcha verification. Then after click on the register button. So too many registration. Please try again in an hour. Okay, so no problem. So just a couple of seconds ago, I created my backlink on this website. You see. So so what you can do, you can put your username, your password, your email address, then you can click on the register button, then you are easily create your account. Then after this site will send you the account activation email. So I can show you Q and to answer, and I received activation email around 17 minutes ago. So you can click on this link, then your account is verified. Now what you can do, you can go to the, you can click on the profile icon, go to this, hello Jobma, click on edit my profile, and you can change your profile picture. Either you can upload from your desktop. Okay, and if you are new user, so you cannot made any modification in your account profile details. So you can wait a couple of day, like 1 or 2 days, then you are able to edit your profile details. Okay, so this is the process to how you can create your profile on this website. And you see these are the discussion. So you can see redirection lost 4 pages to the home page. CSS problem, how can I integrate Q&A platform into my existing e-commerce website? So these are the discussions. So if you found anything relevant to you, so you can open and you can do contribute on this. So you see just a couple of while just I did one commenting in this website. So this is my comment. So when this is a comment box, so where you can there you can post paste your content, and you see if you wanting, so you can hyperlink through this icon. So you can select the keyword, you can make it hyperlink, then you can submit, and this site will take a couple of time. They will check your answer, and if it is correct, then they will going to approve. Then your content should be visible here. Okay. So overall, this is the process to how you can create your profile and the forum backlink in this website.
This video is sponsored by Intently.co. So every business should get listed on Intently. It is a business directory with lot of features aiming to help you with your SEO, and it really works. Key benefits are a quickly generated multiple highly relevant backlinks to your site. Here is a listing page with lot of businesses who do this. Every link to your site is a highly customizable do follow link, so you can target a specific keyword that you want to rank for. Here is the customizable screen. You can post unlimited article about your industry. Finally, if you are an agency or have multiple websites, then you can take advantage of our agency subscription to list your own businesses plus 10 of your client. You can find this link from the description, intently.co.
So the next website name is businesslisting.net.au. So this is a website, and you can see just around 2 minutes ago I listed my business job mark, and you see it is visible on the top of the listing, latest business listing. You see it is visible here on the website homepage. So if you can create your business listing backlink, this backlink should be going to index very quickly because your backlink are featured this website homepage. Okay. So before this started, we can do some research. So according to HREF, the domain rating is 70, and according to Moch, domain authority is 51, and the spam score is 0%. So it is okay. So now we can start. And if I can show you this website traffic, so you will see 17.4K monthly traffic this website having, and the mostly traffic from India, Pakistan, Australia, Vietnam, and another country. So first thing, you guys will click on the add your business for free. Click on this button, and there you can add your business name. So DML training, and there you can put your state. So state is Delhi. Then you can put your address, then your postal code. Then after click on the next button, and next you can put your category. So we are providing marketing services, and then there you can put your website description, and then after there you can put a contact number, your email address. So this is my email. So from this drop down, you can select your website development, advertising, and the marketing. And there you can put your email address, then your website URL. Then after click on the next button, and you see. Then after you can click on the submit button, and your listing is now published. What you can do, go to the home page. Either you can click on this website logo, and you see this is our business listing, and if I can click on this, so this is our listing landing page URL, and if I can show you, this is a no follow or do follow backlink. So you will see this is 100% do follow backlink. There is no any indication for the no follow or no referral. So this is a brand name, this is the description, and easily anyone can submit the review about your business. So overall, this is the process to how you can create your backlink on these websites. So if you guys are watching till end, so thanks for the watching, guys. And if you guys are having anything concern, any doubts, any suggestion for me or you or your friends, so then you guys have to share your thoughts in the comment section. And if you guys can wanting to connect with me personally, any kind of service project or suggestion, so I can provide my social details in the description section. From there, you guys can go to connect with me easily. And for the last, if you guys can wanting to help me something, so please you guys will hit the subscribe and the like button, because your small things will help me more and the motivate me to create a consistent and the rapidly videos for you guys. So I hope you guys will do something helpful for me. Okay, yeah, so bye bye and take care.